Wow, it's so beautiful. But she also looks so cute. I really can't take my eyes off. Hello, my name is Dr. Joo. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon working here at 8 Plastic Surgery Clinic in South Korea, Seoul. Since K-pop has become a huge thing worldwide, we're gonna analyze some faces of some Korean celebrities and figure out what makes them look so attractive. First off, we're gonna take a look at Jennie from BLACKPINK. Huge fan, by the way. Wow, it's so beautiful. Okay, let me just calm down for a second. What's interesting is she has many features that don't exactly fit the ideal standards of facial aesthetics. However, all put together, she not only has this elegant and beautiful look, but she also looks so cute. So let's look at her facial contour first. Wow, okay. Since she has a round-looking face, instead of a sharp or oval one like many other Korean K-pop singers, it makes her look so youthful added to her moderate amount of cheek volume. The roundness of her face, especially when she smiles, is replenished by her moderate amount of cheek fat volume. Another important aspect I see is her chin. I mean, if you look at babies, for instance, they obviously all have short chins, right? Jennie has a soft, round, and short chin, but not all short chins give a youthful appearance like Jennie here, but hers does, right? So normally short chins are kind of retruded for most of the people, but if you look at Jennie, the amount of protrusion of the chin is just perfect. So she looks more younger than she really is, although she is young. I'm sorry, I get stunned by her photos. Okay, now let's look at her eyes. She has a so-called outline double eyelid fold. These terms are usually used here in Korea at plastic surgery clinics, so I'll explain later on. And her eyes, she also has like an upward canthal tilt. This upward tilt gives her that charismatic and sexy look. And her little amount of eyelid ptosis gives her like this really dreamy look that makes people like me want to just dive in. So what I want to concentrate is also her horizontal length of her eyes. The length of her eyes in proportion to the width of her face is quite long, which makes her eyes look even more bigger. And also this slightly downward curve on the lateral side of her lower eyelid makes the lateral part even more bigger. And last but not least, but as I mentioned, her double eyelid fold, we're gonna talk about that. There are basically 4 different kinds of folds that we use as a term here in Korea, which are inline, in outline, and semi-outline, and lastly outline, which Jennie has. The outline, such as in Jennie's case here, needs a relatively higher fold than all the other folds, which makes her eyes, like as I mentioned, even look more bigger. Compared to her really small-sized face, interestingly, here in Korea, a small-sized face is a really important aspect aesthetically. Finally, I'm gonna take a look at her nose. Compared to other well-known actresses or singers, her nose looks very, very natural, untouched in some way. And the small-sized hump here and the relatively not so high tip projection, and also the round tip, makes her nose look small and really cute and younger looking. But although her nose is small, actually when normal people just look at her face, they don't really acknowledge her nose as small. And the reason why is the proportion of everything, her eyes, her nose. Since her eyes are so long and so wide, other parts of the face, we actually concentrate more on her eyes rather than her nose. And her nose is beautiful, but compared to other celebrities, it's really natural looking and kind of small. Okay, I think that's about it. And so today we analyzed Jennie from BLACKPINK's face. I really can't take my eyes off these photos, but she looks so beautiful and attractive even with a small sized nose and a round face. We have to understand the importance of balance between each part of the face and especially focus on the strong points or maybe features that we can become our charming points via surgery or other treatments, procedures. Thank you for watching. We'll come back with more other celebrities, so stay tuned. Thank you.